What are you laughing at?
Absolutely nothing. Nothing at all.
I think he was laughing at us.
You know something? You're a real bright little lamp.
Oh, thanks. Hey.
You guys really have an attachment for that kid, don't you?
Yes, he was our master.
Well, that's real nice. And any day now he might come romping back, huh? Just come whistling right back in through that door and everything'll be the same. Real peachy keen-like.
Mm-hmm.
It's a possibility.
Well, at least we try to be optimistic.
Optimistic? Somebody untie the knot in this guy's cord.
Why don't you just shut off?
Hey, I'm real scared there, Kirby. What are you gonna do, suck me to death? What is it with you guys, anyway? You act like you just came off the assembly line. Now get this through your chrome. We've been dumped, abandoned.
But he loved us.
That's right.
So what? He's a kid. He has a family. They move away, he moves away. It's a package deal.